Hey, my name is Katie, and I'm currently preparing everything to welcome our baby very soon. In today's video, I'm preparing the Nigel sleep carrier with a duvet to bring with us to the hospital so we can carry our little baby girl home in this carrier. And after this, I'm packing our hospital bags for birth. I'll be sharing what I'm bringing for myself and for our baby girl. And this is all things I want to bring for my planned C-section. If you're pregnant, preparing for birth, or if you just enjoy calming nesting or packing videos, I hope this one feels relaxing and helpful to you. Before packing my stuff into the bags, I checked my packing list and put every item on the bed. Here's my packing list. I checked everything off that I was bringing to the bed. I also made sure to check what our hospital already have ready for us, so I don't overpack. Every hospital is a little different, so what you'll need may vary. This is just what is right for us. And I'm trying to keep everything simple and minimal while still feeling comfortable and prepared. So let's start packing my hospital bag. Makeup. A small makeup bag, just the basics for me. I'm also bringing toiletries like my toothbrush, skincare, lip balm, hair clip, and hair ties. My mom was here, as you can see, so she wanted to see what outfits I was packing for my baby. And I also wanted to bring my sleeping mask. If there's much light in the room, I will sleep better during the night and during naps in the daytime with my sleeping mask on. Now I'm packing my clothes. A comfortable and warm loungewear and a loose outfit to go home in. I put them in this bag. This is my small bag. I have my wallet, some tissue, and a mirror. Also my earbuds. And also some hair ties and a nail file. Just a few basic things. I will also bring my Polaroid camera. Because I'll be having a C-section, comfort is really important for me. I found out that the hospital already have some kind of underwear and sanitary pads that I will use on the hospital. So I'm only packing one high-waisted underwear to go home in that won't put pressure on my incision. And I'm also packing some soft, comfortable nursing bras and warm socks. Here I'm packing some very important snacks like chips, chocolate, nuts, and a protein bar, and also some chewing gum. I also brought my vitamins with me. All the important documents and my hospital papers is already packed. Next is baby's things, and I'm keeping this very simple. The hospital provides most of what a newborn needs, like diapers and milk if we need it, but I still want to bring a few newborn outfits, a soft blanket, socks and some hats, and an outfit for going home. All of these clothes are already pre-washed and ready to use. I also brought these cute plushies for my baby girl. I have also packed a few different pacifiers. They are in this green case. Some different pacifiers. It's very nice to have everything ready so me and my husband can focus on welcoming our baby when the time comes. And we already have a date because it's a planned C-section. So only in 2 days' time we'll see our baby, and we are so excited. Packing for the hospital really makes everything feel more real, and that the time has come to receive our baby girl. It's one of those nesting tasks that brings a mix of excitement and calm, and also a reminder that we're getting so close now. If you're currently pregnant, I hope this video helps you to feel a little more prepared and a little less overwhelmed. And if you've already been through birth, feel free to share any packing tips in the comments. I'd love to read them. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in my next video.